What do we have here? Abandoned restaurant. Chinese cuisine. And here's the sign. Still up. Parking lot don't look bad. The building's kind of not very good, I don't think. This one's been sitting for a while. 161 in Sawmill. Can't really see in there. You can see in here though. Parking lot don't look bad, like I said. Can't see much there. It's trashed in there. Mattress. Not much, but it's something. I don't know what they're going to do with this building. Let's see what we can see down here. Yeah, too dark. Too dark to see in there. Banquet entrance, huh? Yeah, sitting here for a while. Even still got the sign up right there. Right there where you come into the parking lot. Don't know what they're gonna do with it, but it's been sitting here for a while.